Today I will introduce the UV sterilizer at 40 watts and 75 watts. This is the chamber, can be stainless steel 304 and 316 material. Here's the UV light. The difference will be here to be 75 watts or 40 watts. This is the cross tube to fill the UV lamp. Here is the ballast, and we can choose different clamp. Here is the O-ring to be the seal for the UV lamp. And here is the clamp for the UV stainless steel chamber. Let me introduce the packing of the UV sterilizer. We use the Streisand foam box to packing all of the components to lower the risk of broken during transportation and let the components arrive at client in good condition. And the outer box used imported paperboard to ensure the strength and safety.